Algorand value kind of equivalent to $0.1977 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 0.1943 0.2003 in a truly significant way. The earlier day close, 0.1991, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The change especially was 0.0014, 0.70% in a significant way. Reverse rate, USD to ALGO, which truly is very critical. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost $0.18, in every practical sense, greatest 0.19, exceptionally least 0.17, which is genuinely critical. Algorand estimate on Monday, April 24, cost $0.18, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.19, essentially least 0.17 amazingly. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.17, sort of most extreme 0.18, lovely least 0.16, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.17, extremely greatest 0.18, essentially least 0.16, showing how Algorand cost pretty equivalent to $0.1977 a coin, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. In multi-week Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.17, especially most extreme 0.18, least 0.16 in an exceptionally significant way. Algorand estimate on Friday, April 28, cost $0.17, truly greatest 0.18, certainly least 0.16, which generally is genuinely huge. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $0.17, greatest 0.18, sort of least 0.16. Algorand figure on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.17, sort of greatest 0.18, extremely least 0.16, or so they sort of thought. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.17, by and large greatest 0.18, least 0.16. In about 14 days Algorand gauge on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.17, truly greatest 0.18, least 0.16. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost $0.17, kind of most extreme 0.18, genuinely least 0.16, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand gauge on Monday, May 8, cost $0.17, most certainly greatest 0.18, kind of least 0.16, showing that Algorand figure on Friday, April 28, cost $0.17, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.18, lovely least 0.16, or so they explicitly thought. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.17, sort of most extreme 0.18, truly least 0.16, which essentially shows that Algorand figure on Monday, May 8, cost $0.17, certainly greatest 0.18, most certainly least 0.16, exhibiting that Algorand gauge on Friday, April 28, cost $0.17, certainly greatest 0.18, truly least 0.16, which sort of is very huge. Algorand figure on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.17, for the most part greatest 0.18, lovely least 0.16, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.17, genuinely most extreme 0.18, beautiful least 0.16, or so they really thought. Algorand estimate on Friday, May 12, cost $0.17, really most extreme 0.18, in every practical sense, least 0.16 in an especially significant way. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $0.17, sort of most extreme 0.18, especially least 0.16 in an especially significant way. Algorand figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.16, most extreme 0.17, by and large least 0.15. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.16, especially greatest 0.17, fundamentally least 0.15, exhibiting that Algorand value forecast for, in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they generally thought. In about a month Algorand gauge on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.16, sort of greatest 0.17, by and large least 0.15, which is very critical. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $0.15, kind of greatest 0.16, sort of least 0.14, which especially is very huge. Algorand estimate on Monday, May 22, cost $0.17, lovely greatest 0.18, most certainly least 0.16, which by and large is very huge. USD to ALGO conversion scale really equivalent to 5.0582 coins per $1 in an unpretentious manner. Today, S reach 4.9925 minus 5.1467 in an unobtrusive way. The past day, S nearby 5.0226 in an unobtrusive way. Change for now plus 0.0356, plus 0.71%, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. USD to ALGO cost gauge in the not-so-distant future in month in a genuinely enormous manner. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Friday, April 21, cost 5.556 coins, kind of most extreme 5.882, genuinely least 5.263 in an unobtrusive way. USD to ALGO expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 5.556 coins, extremely greatest 5.882, really least 5.263, which generally is very huge. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Tuesday, April 25, cost 5.882 coins, really greatest 6.250, in every practical sense, least 5.556, or so they basically thought. USD to ALGO expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost 5.882 coins, especially greatest 6.250, genuinely least 5.556, which really is genuinely critical. In multi-week dollar to Algorand gauge on Thursday, April 27, cost 5.882 coins, by and large greatest 6.250, in every way that really matters, least 5.556. So in multi-week dollar to Algorand estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost 5.882 coins, genuinely most extreme 6.250, essentially least 5.556, which truly is very critical. USD to ALGO forecast on Friday, April 28, cost 5.882 coins, especially most extreme 6.250, truly least 5.556 in a very enormous way. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Monday, May 1, cost 5.882 coins, really most extreme 6.250, kind of least 5.556 in a very enormous manner. USD to ALGO forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 5.882 coins, really most extreme 6.250, kind of least 5.556, which essentially is very critical. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost 5.882 coins, really greatest 6.250, exceptionally least 5.556, or so they thought. In about 14 days USD to ALGO expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 5.882 coins, most certainly greatest 6.250, lovely least 5.556. So in 3 weeks Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.17, sort of greatest 0.18, essentially least 0.16 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Friday, May 5, cost 5.882 coins, essentially greatest 6.250, certainly least 5.556, showing how